So today I'm going to turn this mop and this glass jar into this beautiful home decor. My name is Gigi and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am participating into Sunday Funday challenge hosted by Jenny and Diane from Deco Easy and Trish and Kay from Crafting Cousins Create. I will write down their link into my description box and please go and check them. With that said, let's go and start our project. So last time, someone messaged me and asked me how I really use a cleaning mop. So here you go, guys. I am going to show you on how I did it. I just removed the head of the cleaning mop and I just have to separate them one by one. And as you can see now, I am sticking them using my glue gun into the top edge of this glass jar bottle. And this time I am not going to leave any space since the top part is smaller than the whole body. Okay, so let's just fill it up the whole run of this bottle. Just bear with me, guys, it won't take that long. I apologize for the focus of my camera because this bottle is a bit too big and I didn't put my tripod a little bit higher so that the focus would be better. So I'm really sorry about that, guys. And the reason why I'm doing this project, it's because someone asked me to redo it again and I have to show it clearer. And actually someone wants to buy this project, so that's the reason why I have to go and look for a bottle. And I'm lucky or fortunately, like what I always said, I always keep my rubbish, things that can be recycled, I always clean up and I just put them in my storeroom. So I have to dig my storeroom to be able to find this bottle. And actually this bottle is cooking wine bottle. Um, my mother-in-law like to use cooking wine every time she marinates something. So I am actually very lucky to find this big glass bottle. So as you can see now, guys, since I filled up the whole bottle, I try to tie a knot like the 8 knot. As you can see, I'm trying to do it slower this time. And as you can see, I'm trying to do it all around first so that it won't get tangled. As you can see, it won't be that long, guys. It's just a bit challenging for me to do this because the bottle is really a bit big and it's quite high when I'm doing it on the table. So it's a bit challenging, but I quite enjoy doing this project. So it's almost done. So I braided a twine to put it on the top edge of this bottle, and I will do the same at the bottom part. After I stick this all the things at the bottom part, then uh, I have to braid another twine to stick into the um, bottom part of this glass. I'm sorry, guys. I have a bit of a sore throat, so I struggle. So I really apologize for that. But as you can see now, it's coming out now, like getting really see the view. It's almost done. There you go. It's getting there. Yes, I have to cut all the extra thread or twine, and there's the outcome, guys. As you can see, it's very nice. And I put two candle in the sides, and there's the outcome. I put some flowers on it, and there you go. Enjoy.